Your magnetic facial will begin with a deep cleanse and exfoliation that will open pores and make skin feel smooth and fresh. We apply a mineral serum and then do a facial and neck massage with a magnetic roller. This will activate the minerals and will help smooth your skin, helps balance blood sugar, provide headache relief, restore balance, and contribute to a more restful sleep. You may feel a mild tingling during the time the serum is working. Next, we'll use red LED light, which helps with anti-aging, a treatment originally discovered by NASA. Light can penetrate deeper into the skin than a product can. LED light therapy is a painless, relaxing, non-invasive skincare treatment that has multiple benefits, particularly stimulating collagen and treating mild to moderate acne. It helps minimize fine lines and wrinkles, treat sun damage and stretch marks, and reduce redness. And finally, microcurrent treatment will be utilized, which delivers low-level electricity, mimicking the body's natural rhythms, and helps firm the muscles to prevent sagging and restore firmness. Microcurrent helps lift jowls and eyebrows, improve facial circulation, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. We'll end with a fragrant organic moisturizer and sunscreen. You'll look radiant, restored, and vibrant immediately.